Hi everyone, today I have a very special video. I want to share with you some new fine jewelry pieces that I picked up from GINGIBERI. GINGIBERI is the sponsor of today's video and they've kindly let me select some new pieces. If you don't already know, I am a big fan of GINGIBERI. I've gotten really into pearls and leveling up my jewelry look with pearls over the last year or so. So this is one of the GINGIBERI pearl bracelets that I've been wearing, and I love to stack it with my diamond tennis bracelet because I feel like it just makes them pop together. It just brightens. There's something about pearls that really brightens up your look, and this is set in sterling silver and it's completely adjustable. So I actually went ahead and ordered another one for my daughter so we can match and twin, which I showed in an older video. So really nice. And then this is a ring also from GINGIBERI that has this cool look with this open design. So I know that Mother's Day is around the corner. I picked out some pieces for my mom. I also picked out some pieces for myself, and I'm really excited to share these with you one by one. But first, I have to show you the packaging because the jewelry pieces all arrive beautifully packaged. You've got this gorgeous ribbon. It's all bowed up, tied beautifully, and then you've got the hard box, and then underneath the hard box you have the suede box. So it definitely has a really luxurious feel and a high-end presentation. So wanted to show you that. And then back there in those envelopes, you will have an authenticity card for every piece that you order. So you have that peace of mind in terms of quality. All right, so let's open all of these up and then I will show you the details of each one. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's start from the left. These right here are pearl hoop earrings. And you guys may know I've been talking about how I'm really enjoying a little bit larger hoop style earrings these days. And these are made with Akoya pearls. These are Akoya pearls, which means that they're saltwater pearls. So pretty. Let me take one out to show you the detail. So it's got the push back and it's all set in 18K solid gold. So again, in terms of longevity, this is jewelry that's going to last. AA grade pearl quality. Look at the luster. Each pearl is about 4 to 4.5 millimeters, and then the entire hoop I would say is probably the size of like a nickel. And I have to say, something about pearls just makes me feel more refined and polished. So these are called the VERDANT earrings, and they're going for $3.99. But I should say that GINGIBERI has offered a 15% promo code. So if you put in the code HANNAH15, you will get 15% off your entire order. There's also a Mother's Day promotion happening for a limited time through the end of May. And you can actually combine my code with the promotion so you can actually save more money. Next is a new design called the Sprout earrings, and this is from the GINGIBERI Spring Garden collection for 2025. It's gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So this is also going to be set in 18K solid gold. These are Aurora pearls. So just look at the sparkle on the gold quality first of all, like just the daintiness and the intricacy, and then the beading here. Look at this. I'm going to give you a close-up. This is so cool. So I learned that there's something called the T-pin stringing technique. It's like a time-honored technique in the pearl industry. And that's how this is put together to look like petals. You see the movement? I'm going to take it out so you can see. Okay, here's a close-up. Look at the movement and the wrapping that happens with the gold. Do you see that? So again, from the Spring Garden collection, GINGIBERI was nice enough to share with me some of their sketches behind this new collection, and it's just so inspirational. So everything here is inspired by gardens, jasmines, blooming jasmines. These are supposed to represent petals swaying on branches. Look at the movement, the fluidity on here. It's definitely going to be eye-catching when you wear them. It's said that the gold setting is also supposed to be like sparkly, almost like morning dew catching the sunlight in the spring. So I just love that. I feel like there's a story behind every piece. So this also kind of reminds me of the Van Cleef & Arpels Dangly Alhambra earrings. In a way, right? Once again, these are also AA grade pearls, beautiful luster, high quality. The price is $3.99, but of course you can use my 15% off promo code on any of these and save some money, and also take advantage of the Mother's Day promotion. Now I'm going to move to this because this is part of the same collection. This is called the Seedling Necklace, and this is from the Spring Garden collection. Again, those blooming petals swaying on branches, and this is just so pretty. So let me show you, starting with the chain. Again, 18K solid gold. Can you see how that catches the light by the window? And then you've got these little flowers, little petals hanging on the branches, right? Which is the gold chain. I've always said that with gingerbread, the gold, the way they cut it, I don't know what they do, but they cut it in a way that it really maximizes the shine and sparkle. You can see that. This is so beautiful, isn't it? And then the necklace, just like the bracelets offered, are always going to be adjustable. So this is going to pull. It's like a little ball here. You pull it and you can make it shorter or longer. So that gives you options, which I really appreciate. And this too is $399. So these are all pretty affordable for fine jewelry. And then this also is offered in a bracelet form. And that too is set in 18K solid gold. So it's going to be matching. And as I'm handling these pieces, I just feel like I'm entering my soft girl era. I don't know, something about the daintiness and the beauty behind the way these are designed just makes me feel very ladylike. The next one I want to show you is another set of earrings. These I've been eyeing for a while, and it looks like they sold out, and hopefully they'll come back in stock. They must be really popular, but these are called the Naroli Duo earrings. This is about an 8 to 9 millimeter pearl that's dangling off of the gold here. And the ones that I chose are 14 karat gold, and then it has the lab grown diamond right there. But there is also another option for 18K gold with natural diamonds, but there will be a price difference depending on which one you choose. Just look at the movement. It's so playful. It's so pretty. So these are definitely shorter. So here I'll do a quick little comparison. So in terms of height or length, I should say, it's a pretty significant difference. So this is just short and sweet, really playful, really elegant too. And then this is longer, a little bit more eye-catching because of that drop, right? The longer drop length, but they're gorgeous, both of them. These are also freshwater pearls. These are AAA grade. And I just want to show you the detail of the flower here. This also kind of looks like the Van Cleef, the Frivoli, if you're familiar. Very similar. How do you guys feel about pearls? Do you feel like they're only for special occasions or when you're getting dressed up, or do you like to dress them down or wear them more casually? I feel like I'm learning to mix them into my day-to-day wardrobe and definitely dressing them down as well, so that's been fun. This one here is not pearls, but I have to show you why I chose this, because I've always noticed that gingerbread cuts their gold so nicely, like with that extra sparkle as I mentioned. I chose this chain necklace. I'd say out of all the different jewelry types, necklaces are my least worn for some reason. I just really love rings and earrings and bracelets. But when I do wear necklaces, I like simple and dainty, and I do enjoy stacking a couple of different dainty styles. So at this, I just feel like I could not go wrong with it. It's beautiful. Again, look at the way it catches the light. So this is going to be 18K solid gold, again, completely adjustable. And then if you look at it, the interlocking links here, it's really unique actually. I love the simplicity of it, but I also love that it's not flat. It's got dimension. Do you see that? Let's see if I can show you against a darker background. You see that? And this one goes for $599. By the way, the price of gold is going up so much these days, right guys? Definitely hang on to your fine jewelry. Last but not least, I actually chose this one for my daughter because you may have seen I wear the H initial necklace from Gingiberri. I get so many compliments on it. Some people have asked me if it's from Hermes. H is just the first initial of my name. And they had the letter O as well, which is the initial for my daughter's name. So I thought, you know, Mother's Day is coming up. It's not all about me. I'm only a mother because I have my kids. And so I thought I would gift this to her. It'll be a nice little surprise. So this is from their letter collection. So they're obviously going to offer every single letter of the alphabet if you're looking for something like this. I remember wearing my H necklace in those videos where I cut off my head, but I get real close and personal and I'm filming like up front, and so people could see my necklace, and I got a lot of positive comments and compliments. So that's what it looks like. So the pendant is 18K solid gold, and it has all these little diamonds, natural diamonds embedded inside. And this one is $440. But again, everything will be discounted with that promo code for 15% off, Hannah15. And if you do happen to shop between now and the end of May, you'll get the additional Mother's Day promotion as well. So let me know what you guys think of these pieces. Which one was your favorite? Are you a fan of pearls in particular or not? In terms of links to these featured pieces, I will make sure to put them down below in my description box, along with the promo codes and the Mother's Day promotion details. But if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try my best to get to them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are a fan of fine jewelry, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.